The Plitvice Lakes National Park is Croatia's most well-known national park, having been added to the UNESCO World Heritage List. It is a popular year-round tourist site and a must-see for any visitor to Croatia. Plitvice Lakes isn't simply a summer destination. It's a beautiful sight to come at any time of year because the park changes color with the seasons. Whether it's lush greenery in the spring, summer, rich colors in the autumn, or spectacular landscapes in the snow and ice in the winter. Even if it's raining, the park is still worth visiting, since the water creates a dramatic impression, occasionally bubbling up beneath your feet on the wooden pathways. Plitvice is understandably popular during the summer, and the paths may be very crowded. We recommend visiting in the spring or late summer when the weather is still pleasant. The park is open for a longer period of time and there are fewer visitors. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it. Plitvice Lakes National Park is 73,000 acres in size. The park has 4 hiking paths that are divided into 7 separate itineraries. You can also go about by boat or shuttle, also called the panoramic train, in addition to hiking. The park's major attraction is its 16 lakes, which are separated into 2 sections: Gornja Jezera, Upper Lakes, and Donja Jezera, Lower Lakes, as well as several waterfalls and cascades. The lake system is the product of millennia of geological and biological processes that have created tufa barriers, which are natural dams. These are generated by the calcium carbonate deposition from the property's running waters. This geochemical process of tufa formation interacts with living creatures in the Plitvice lake system, most notably mosses, algae, and aquatic bacteria. The whole lake system's magnitude as well as the natural barriers are an excellent expression of the aesthetically stunning phenomena that has been recognized since the late 1800s. It's easier to think of the park as being divided into 3 sections. Entrance 1 and Veliki Slap are located in the lower lake section, the big waterfall. You might take a boat or the shuttle to the upper lakes portion, which has some of the park's most beautiful boardwalk trails and waterfalls. There is an area of the park that is not accessible through the main paths. A road and path run along the park's western cliffs, labeled cliff views on the map, providing excellent panoramic views of the lake and boardwalk trails. This contains the Veliki Slap viewpoint for the Plitvice Lakes postcard photo. Forests, lakes, meadows, pastures and scattered hamlets dominate the landscape of the national park, which covers little under 300 square kilometers. It is home to 11 forest communities, including species of beech, fir, spruce and pine. Animals such as bears, wolves, otters, wild boars, skunks, squirrels, rabbits, foxes and a variety of bird species live in the park.